Russia is currently on track to launch over 100 ballistic missiles per month, contradicting earlier assumptions about the country's missile production capabilities, particularly in light of ongoing Western sanctions affecting other military technologies like the Su-57 fighter jet. Insights from the Telegram channel Legitimy, translated as legitimate, indicate that Russia has ramped up its missile launches significantly, with reports noting an increase from 60 to 80 ballistic missile launches per month to potentially over 100. This surge suggests that Russia has a substantial stockpile of these missiles and has moved away from any conservation measures previously adopted. The Ukrainian Air Force is facing significant challenges with its air defense systems, having recently lost several key components, including a radar system for the Patriot air defense system. As Russia intensifies its missile attacks on key Ukrainian locations, particularly in the rear areas, the difficulties of intercepting ballistic missiles become increasingly apparent. Analysts believe that the Russian military has ceased conservation of its missile resources and is now deploying them more aggressively than before. With the ongoing conflict, President Volodymyr Zelensky of Ukraine has been vocal in requesting additional air defense systems from Western allies, particularly the American Patriot air defense system, known for its effectiveness in intercepting ballistic missiles. However, many NATO countries have been hesitant to provide these systems, often citing concerns over resource allocation and commitments to existing agreements. Despite the challenging economic landscape shaped by Western sanctions, Russia's production of ballistic missiles remains robust and unaffected. This resilience can be attributed to the extensive industrial framework and production capabilities that Russia has developed over decades. Even with restrictions limiting access to certain Western technologies, Russia has established a self-sufficient manufacturing infrastructure capable of producing the essential electronic components for ballistic missiles. The production of ballistic missiles relies heavily on various electronic components, such as microprocessors, sensors, and control systems. While Western sanctions have restricted access to specific integrated circuits, Russia has made significant investments in creating its own alternatives. For instance, the Russian company Micron has developed microchips designed to replace Western counterparts used in military applications. Similarly, Angstrom produces a range of electronic components, including logic circuits that are engineered to function in the challenging environments typical of military use. In terms of navigation systems, Russia has made strides with its GLONASS system, which serves as a counterpart to the American GPS. This indigenous navigation technology offers precise positioning and navigation capabilities essential for ballistic missile operations. Control and navigation systems based on GLONASS are already integrated into Russia's next-generation missiles, significantly reducing reliance on Western technologies. Another key factor contributing to the sustainability of missile production in Russia is the availability of local materials and alloys necessary for missile construction. The country possesses significant resources for producing high-quality alloy steels and titanium, crucial for missile manufacturing. Companies like Titan supply alloys used to construct missile bodies, ensuring durability and heat resistance during launches. Moreover, in the realm of rocket fuel development, Russia is largely self-sufficient, employing domestic technologies and resources to produce missile propellants. Unlike some Western producers that rely on specialized chemicals, Russian facilities manufacture missiles using locally developed hydrazine and RP-1 propellants, which can be produced in large quantities. Hydrazine, for example, is utilized in Topol missiles, offering notable performance and reliability. State support for the defense sector has further bolstered Russia's missile production capabilities. Despite facing economic hurdles, the Russian government continues to invest in military programs, providing stable funding and backing for domestic manufacturers. Ongoing orders for new ballistic systems and modernization efforts for existing missile stockpiles ensure a continuous operation of production facilities. Additionally, Russia is exploring partnerships with countries that are not aligned with Western sanctions. Collaborations with nations such as Iran and North Korea have provided Russia with additional resources and technologies to enhance its military capabilities. For instance, Iran has offered specific missile production technologies that can be adapted to meet Russian needs. Turning to the inventory of ballistic missiles, as of 2024, Russia's stockpile includes various missile types in different quantities. Estimates suggest that the country has approximately 3,000 to 3,500 ballistic missiles across various systems, encompassing both operational and non-operational categories. The primary missile types in this arsenal include the Iskander-M tactical ballistic missile, renowned for its accuracy and versatility in carrying both conventional and nuclear warheads. Despite the ongoing war and extensive use of the Iskander-M missiles, reports indicate that Moscow has managed to accumulate nearly 200 additional Iskander missiles by early 2024. The production capabilities have reportedly been ramped up to approximately 6 missiles per month. In addition to the Iskander system, Russia maintains a diverse range of intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, such as the Sarmat, as well as submarine-launched ballistic missiles, SLBMs, like the Bulava. While the exact number of ICBMs and SLBMs can vary, estimates suggest that hundreds of these missile systems remain operational within Russia's military arsenal. The combination of a substantial stockpile and a stable production capability positions Russia as a formidable player in the realm of ballistic missile technology, even amid ongoing international tensions.